Yo, welcome to my channel. As you all know, I do headlight restoration, but today we're gonna do something different. Today we're gonna prevent headlights from getting oxidated or getting warped from the sun. Today I'm gonna show you how to prevent headlights from going bad. I'm going to be using ceramic. If you didn't know, now you know you can't put ceramic on headlights. Right here I'm gonna be using alcohol to clean off the oils from the headlights so that the ceramic can stick to it. Ceramic will keep your car headlights from fading, turning yellow, also help you see at night even better. I believe the alcohol has dried up on here, but yes it has. Make sure you're wearing gloves because this stuff can be potent. I'm putting it on a sponge so I can smear it into here. As you see, I'm rubbing it on, going in the same direction. If you want this product, leave a comment, like and subscribe.